France. 12,000 years ago, during the recent Arize, the last glacial phase, a group of hunter-gatherers moves forward in the storm to find shelter during this period of great cold. In the distance, a gigantic cave runs right through a massive karst complex, a glimmer of hope for this group seeking to survive in this inhospitable world. The Mas des Îles. This shelter has been used throughout prehistory and history. But it was only in the 1850s, during the filling in of the site, that the treasures of its past came to light. From 1887 to 1897, excavations conducted by Edouard Piet led to the discovery of lithic pieces and furniture belonging to a previously unknown culture, the Azilian. This intermediate culture between the end of the Magdalenian and the Neolithic is surprising because of its particular furniture art, and especially its painted pebbles. In 1901 and 1902, Galerie Breuil carried out 2 excavation campaigns. It was on this occasion that he discovered the first paintings and engravings in the cave. He was followed by Joseph Mandement, who, from 1936 to 1958, opened up access to several galleries, thus increasing the number of prehistoric representations. The cave then revealed a gigantic network of different occupation sites. Excavations continued, and today Magdalenian furniture has been found, such as the bird fawn propeller, as well as human remains dating from the same period. Although the road construction work did not make it possible to excavate certain areas, the left bank of the river and the deeper cave were not affected. This allows excavations to continue in the cave today and to better understand the different levels of occupation of the site. Between 2011 and 2016, excavations carried out by INRAP uncovered remains dating from the Orientation period. Thanks to this project, we can now better understand the richness of this cave and its importance during prehistory. Today, an interpretation center has been built in the center of the cave, allowing visitors to explore the deep, dark rooms and galleries. This site is therefore a real multidisciplinary treasure trove for archaeology and contains a very large quantity of remains that allow us to better understand the subsistence behavior of men in the past.